about this. It means it's yeast in the body. If it shows up, it could show up on your feet. It could show up in your hair, which is known for, cord dandruff or whatever it is like that. But today we are going to use a mask just so the dead cells and skin could come up off our feet. Okay? All right. On a foot mask. Okay, I used this foot mask in the past. I had ordered these from Amazon. It's like 6 that come in a plastic bag. This is the last one, so we will be using this. So right here, you can see that after I rinse, my feet feel so much smoother. You can see the skin and stuff like here. And I don't know like what gel or whatever it is that they put in these things. But I'm gonna see if there's all natural one, because if it has like a whole bunch of ingredients in there, I don't really like care for too much, because I don't know what the heck it could be in there. Like, I'm all for getting the skin off the crust off your feet, but like, I need to know exactly what's in there. So I'll be back for day 2 to show you guys like what my feet looks like. Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today is day 2 for the foot peel treatment that I had did a few days ago. As you can see, peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today is day 3 for as the foot peel mask. So this is how my feet is looking. I just got out the shower. Okay, so far, the peel is doing what it needs to do. All the excess skin is coming off, as you can see. Like over here, it is like a little smoother. On a peel package, it does like, you're not supposed to peel the dead skin, and also you're not supposed to put anything on your feet, I believe. I got that from other YouTube videos that I have watched. Okay, so this is day 3. Honey, look at this. Okay, this is about the only smooth part. Okay, and this is the other foot. So if your feet, if you have like dead skin, excess like dead skin, and this would definitely do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna see if I could get some like a natural treatment, because I just prefer natural. So this is how my feet is looking. I'll see you guys for day 4. Peace. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so this is day 4 of the foot peel. Most of this stuff is like coming off. There's still some stuff on here though. And so I see you guys back here for day 5. But no, day 5 of the foot peel. Okay, and as you can see, a lot of this skin is coming off. Okay, this process is like, you gotta be patient. Okay, honey, you gotta be patient. Last night I showed my children my feet because I was, wearing socks these few days, and I took my socks off. And they said, my children was like, your feet look so old, and why it looked like that, and different things like that. So this is day 4. Okay, and I'll see you guys back here. This is the stuff for my socks, honey. I'll see you guys back here on day 5 and 6. Okay, right? Okay, honey, don't you go peeling this. Okay, don't you go peeling this skin. I know it's tempting. But honey, don't you peel. Well, honey, you do whatever the hell you want. Okay, I see you guys for day 5 and 6. Peace. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. Okay, so this is day 6. It's still a little bit of crust on here. Once I get in the shower, the crust should come off. So this is pretty much like how my feet is looking, and they real smooth. Still a little bit of skin here. Okay, and then on here is still some skin right here. So for the most part, there's still some skin in here, but for the most part, the skin that came, that was peeling from the mask, that skin is like pretty much off. And I wanted this to come off, but I guess it'll take a few more days. Like here, it's like smooth right here, and then it is, here. So yeah, I'm gonna see if there's a better alternative. I know a better alternative is to eat healthier. I do know that. And I'm gonna leave the video of herbalist Dr. Tim Morrow in the description, whereas though he talk about, yeast and the different names for yeast and things of that nature. So I catch you guys on the next video. Peace.